2026 Suzuki SV650. The 2026 Suzuki SV650 comes roaring back as perhaps the final iteration of this beloved middleweight naked. Its 645cc liquid-cooled 90 degrees V-twin delivers about 74.9 horsepower at 500 revolutions per minute and 59.9 newton-meters of torque at 8,000 revolutions per minute, paired with a 6-speed transmission. Equipped with 41mm telescopic forks and a preload adjustable rear monoshock, plus dual front discs and ABS, it offers confidence on city roads. With a 785mm seat height, curb weight around 197 kilograms, and a 14-liter tank, it's practical and accessible. The 2026 SV650 is expected to land at around $8,149 MSRP in the US. (2026) Moto Morini SCR. The 2026 Moto Morini SCR is an Italian-styled scrambler that brings retro flair and modern tech. Powered by a 649cc liquid-cooled DOHC inline twin, producing roughly 60 horsepower and 54 newton-meters, it pairs with a 6-speed gearbox. Suspension is handled by a 43mm USD fork and adjustable Kayaba monoshock, while braking comes through dual front discs and rear disc with dual-channel ABS. Its spec sheet includes an 810mm seat, 200 kilograms weight, LED lighting, and a 16-liter fuel tank. Pricing starts around $7,800. (2026) Benelli Imperial 400. The Benelli Imperial 400 revives retro cruiser elegance at a friendly price point. Its 374cc SOHC single-cylinder engine, fuel-injected and paired with a 5-speed gearbox, powers the ride. It rolls on 41mm forks, dual rear shocks, and features front and rear disc brakes with ABS. With a seat height of 780mm, a curb weight of about 205 kg and a 12 liters fuel tank, it balances presence and manageability. The 2025 model carries an MSRP of just $4,899, a great entry point for classic styling and budget-conscious riders. (2026) Husqvarna Svartpilen 401. The 2026 Svartpilen 401 delivers minimalist, urban appeal with its 399cc liquid-cooled DOHC single-cylinder engine. Producing around 44 kilowatts, roughly 59 horsepower, it offers nimble performance in city traffic. With a price of about $8,795 right away, in Australia, it's built with functionality in mind. 31 kilogram seat height, adventure-style ergonomics, and LAMS compliance, though some buyers note missing features like cornering ABS or ride modes. (2026) Royal Enfield Guerrilla 450. Launched in Indonesia and beyond, the Royal Enfield Guerrilla 450 is a modern classic with an edge. It uses a 452cc liquid-cooled DOHC single Sherpa engine that puts out about 39 to 40 horsepower and 40 newton-meters of torque, with a 6-speed gearbox and slipper clutch. Suspension comes from a 43mm fork and monoshock rear, while features include LED lighting, ride-by-wire, riding modes, and a 4-inch TFT display with smartphone navigation. With a 780mm seat, 185 kilograms weight, and 11-liter tank, its Indonesian OTR price ranges from $9,300 United States dollars. (2026) CF Moto 800 NK Advanced MSC. The CF Moto 800 NK Advanced MSC is a powerful naked bike for urban riders. Under its hood lies a liquid-cooled 799cc engine, making approximately 70 kilowatts, 95 horsepower. It rides on a modern platform with USD front forks, rear monoshock, and dual front disc brakes. Specifications include an 800mm seat height, 189 kilograms weight, and a 15-liter tank. With a starting price of $8,600, in Europe, it's one of the most affordable leader-class nakeds with flagship features. (2026) Yamaha XSR 700. The Yamaha XSR 700 brings neo-retro styling backed by proven performance. Its 689cc water-cooled inline twin generates about 73 horsepower and 67 Nm of torque, paired with a 6-speed gearbox. It rides on 41mm front forks, adjustable rear shock, and dual disc brakes with ABS. With a 32.9-inch, 835mm seat, 410-pound, 186-kilogram wet weight, and a 14-liter fuel tank, it provides a nimble yet confident ride. The US MSRP is $8,599, with global markets varying slightly. 2026 Triumph Street 750 RS. The flagship 2025 Triumph Street 750 RS is a performance naked excellent for urban commuting and canyon carving. Its 765cc inline 3-cylinder engine delivers around 128 horsepower, 130 PS, and 59 feet lb of torque via a 6-speed gearbox. The US MSRP is $12,795, with higher prices in Canada and the UK. (2026) MV Agusta Brutale RR Ottantesimo. Topping the list is the premium MV Agusta Brutale 800RR Ottantesimo. Packed with an 801cc triple that delivers 140 horsepower, this limited edition Italian naked is a head-turner. It has a seat height of 830mm, wet weight of 195 kilograms, and costs around $19,500.